Welcome to the video. I'm going to be covering how to find the growth of stocks from 1 week ago and 1 month ago. So basically finding the growth of over 1 week and over 1 month, and then sorting them according to highest to lowest. So right now, if you look on the right of the screen, current price, this is the formula to pull the current price for A2. And then you just drag it down for A3 and A4. And then this is the price from 1 month ago. So you just change the date from 1 month from your current date. And then this is basically you take 1 week away from the current date and you just drag it down. And you can see all of them have the same date. So this is the growth over 1 month. So you just take F2 divided by E2 minus 1. And then for growth for a week, you do F2 divided by D2. So D2 is the price 1 week ago. So it's very useful because I sorted this by going here and going to, let's go back. Sort from Z to A is what I clicked. And I had to get rid of some NAs, but you can see now that this is like a very volatile company. So it had 180% growth, and you can see over the week it had 65% growth. And we can go further down, like Nvidia I was seeing earlier. Let's see. Yeah, Nvidia right here, it had 23% growth over the last month and 8% over the last week. So you can see that one's going up. So if you want to try and catch the growth on the way up, you can do that. And just focusing on the month here, we got 15% up for all these companies. And you can also see the negatives. So which companies are down. If you're looking for discounts for the month, you can go all the way here. Let me so now we're getting to the negatives for the month. And it also shows the the week. So you can see EDU down 38% for the month and then down 20% for the week. So this could be a buying opportunity if you're going for discounts. And right here, down 11% for HUM. So a lot of different options for different strategies using this information. So I'm going to go ahead and put a link for all the equations from the top. And if you want to make a similar spreadsheet, you can do that as well. All right. Thank you for tuning in.